Yes. So today we are going to discuss about business rules. This is a server-side script, server-side script. Okay. Whenever you wanted to do any kind of database operation, what are the days of database? Whenever user is doing any database operation like insert, update, delete, query. Okay. What is this insert, update, delete? These four are called database operation. On your mobile phone also, you will insert. Insert means create one contact, update one contact, delete the contact, and search for the contact. These are the four you will do, right? Other than these four, you will do anything on your contact list?
No.
No, right? So in the database also, what you will do? Either you will create one incident. Okay, on the incident, you will create it like, getting a belt tutor. A belt tutor. Okay, assignment group is something hardware. If you save the record for the first time, that is insert case. If you save the record first for the first time, that is called insert. Once the record is saved for the first time, from the second time, if you modify something, or if you change the assignment group, service offering, anything changes you've done and saved the record for the second time, that is called update. That is called update. And finally, what you will do? The third reason is delete. You will delete this record, entire record. See, warning, it will ask you. So delete. You will delete it. or else you will search for the record. Query. Query is nothing but searching. See, copy and you will paste it here, or you will paste it here. Enter. See, you have searched for incident. That means query is, we will call this as query. Any confusion on these four database operations, guys? Anybody? Okay, so whenever you want to do any database operations, and fourth, the first main reason, the business rule is nothing but every organization will be creating their own rules. Correct. So it will be different from company to company. Every company will have some business rules, some process rules, some policies, some standards, etc., etc. Based upon that, server will perform, not the client guy, server will perform all these actions. Okay. Then there are four types of business rules. One is before, after, async, display. These are the four types. Okay. What is before business rule? That means first you will open the form. Open the form is nothing but create new. This is open. You have opened the form, and now you will enter the some information like this network. Okay, and assignment group is also network. I will assign this ticket and I will save the record. So you will, on the form, user will enter the data, save the record or update the record. Once now you tell me, guys, once you save the record here, what will happen? All this information, including this number, will go to database and it will get saved there in the incident table. Correct?
Yes.
So here before business rule is nothing but before the data gets saved in the database, some action should be done. That is called before business rule. Understand? Okay. So I will explain you a bit later on this. First, I will go to configure business rules form. Okay, business rules. These are all existing business rules. I will click on new. See, my requirement is, I will tell you, incident, create new, leave it. Okay, on the incident form, my requirement is when the state is on hold, awaiting caller, immediately some work notes has to be populated. Some additional comments has to be populated automatically. Automatically saying that, hi caller, please wait for, please send the additional information requested by assigned to person. This is how I want to populate automatically. Okay. So for that, I can write one business rule, populate,
Additionally,
hold, no, on hold, populate description on, populate description on hold state. Something like that I'm writing. Okay. So here, when to run, when you want to run this, when the ticket is updated, insert, update, delete query. I already told you, right? So when the ticket is updated as on hold, some action should be done. Some action should be done. What action I want? On the description, I want to populate like this. Hi, please provide the information requested by assigned to member. Something like that I want. When you want to trigger this, where is the condition you have? Did you mention any condition? No, here filter condition, this here you have to mention. So when the state is on hold, and on hold reason should be, on hold reason, what is that? Yeah, on hold reason should be awaiting caller, because on the on hold we have other things also. If you say, if the user select this, no description, no additional comment should populate. Understand? So this is my requirement. Action is on the description. Okay, it's okay. This I want to populate. So I'm saving the record. Sorry. So here I have recreated one business rule. So whenever I will go to create new incident now, caller is able tutor. Okay, here short description is network issue. Okay, assignment group is network. Save the record. Okay. Okay, network. Now it is assigned to some able tutor. That is able tutor. Okay, David Luke. Save the record. Okay. So it is moved to in progress. Now David Lu has asked this guy who able tutor, hi Abel, please provide your IP address. Something like that he has asked. And he is trying to put it on hold, awaiting caller. See, in the description, nothing is there. I am saving the record. Okay. See, hi, please provide the information requested by member. Did you see that message? Yes or no?
yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So why it is wiped off, guys? Why? Because yesterday we are getting the script include value, right? You remember?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that script, client script have wiped off this business rules statement. So that's the reason why it is done like this. But okay, we will do one thing. What we will do is we will go to client scripts. From there, we will inactivate our script. No worries. Right click on the header, go to configure, and where is that UI for client scripts? So get email details, I will inactivate it. Then it will not. Right. If I reload this, no, nothing will happen. See. Hi, please provide the information requested by assigned to. Clear, guys, how the business rule works?
Yes.
Yes, no, maybe.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so this is so this is so again when to run, you have when to run. Here role conditions are there. So only if I add ITIL, then only this business rule will get executed, guys. If you have ITIL role, that means the user, who is user here? Logged in user is able tutor, no? If the able tutor is having ITIL role, then only this business rule will get executed. Otherwise, no. Any confusion?
No.
No.
Okay, I will add one more thing. Okay, I will add ITIL admin, not the ITIL, I will add ITL admin. Done. Save the record. I will show you. So I'm okay. What is user administration? See, I can sense that somebody is not able to understand this concept, like what is the role and okay. Okay. Okay, David Lou is there. David Lou is there. I will log in with the David Lou now. There was one, two, what is that? 1, 2. David Lou don't have the okay. So what is the login ID of David Lou, guys? Do you remember? David. So David dot Lou. So David dot Lou. Don't update. What is it? David dot Lou. Yes, now is you. So here, yeah, I'll go to incident form now. Incident form. I will open the existing one by going into all because I am not, because we are running out of time. Open it. These are already on hold. I will move it back to, come on. I will move back to in progress and save the record. Okay, but this is already there now. Okay, we can write one more business rule, guys. We can write one more business rule. What is that? What is that business rule? You can write. Arey yaar, what happened today? So incident create new, or else we can write the business rule also. Operate on without coding. I am showing you guys. Without coding only I am showing you. With coding, that is a different thing actually. Where is that actions? If the so I have to write one more business rule. Yeah. Business rule. What is our requirement here? Okay, yeah, now I got the clear. Okay, so clear the clear value. Okay. When to run? When it is updated. Okay, when the state is not on hold, and when the on hold reason is not awaiting caller, save the record. What action should be done?
Clear the message.
What action should be done?
Clear the
Description to empty. Nothing should be there. Okay? Empty, it has to be wiped off. And yeah, this is my read. And add message also you can write add. Huh? After changing the state, description value is wiped off or cleared. Value is cleared. Wiped off will not good look. So cleared. I will save this record. So there are two business rules we have written now. Correct. So now I will go to incidents all. I will pick up one incident from here. Okay, this is a new state, that is fine. I will see. State is I will directly move it to on hold, guys. Awaiting caller. So this testing is also coming from somewhere. Test and save the record. This test is also coming from somewhere. Okay, this has been pasted. And now I will again move back to not on hold means whether it is in progress, new or resolved, closed, cancelled, whatever. I will again move back to in progress now. Save the record. It has to be wiped
Clear.
out.
Yes.
No, it is not wiping out. So with this business rule, it is not possible. So what you can do is you can write a business UI policy. You know what is UI policy? Yes or no?
No.
no.
Okay. I will going forward, I'll show you. Don't worry about it. UI policy. Where is UI policy? There is a UI policy. This will run on client, guys. Of course, we can do it with the help of business rule also, but we have to write some script. In one business rule, if you are writing multiple actions, you have to write the script. Okay, that is fine.
But for that field definition, can we not add like is not
I did-
is one of other states
Ah,
except for Tamil.
Yes, we can. No, see here, if you write that one also, that doesn't make any sense. Because the business rule is not working on this one, no? This is the one we are talking about, right?
Mm.
So actually, there should be a value called a clear set value description to empty, but it is not working. That's fine. We can do it in other way also. Okay, I am not clear value on description field description. So when the what is the condition? State is if the state is if the state is
Not on hold.
not on is not on hold and on hold reason is not awaiting caller, then go to bottom, UI policy actions new. Guys, whoever don't know this UI policy section, we will discuss this UI policies again, don't worry. What is the description? DERC description.
Yeah.
Clear the field value. Check this box and save the report.
Okay.
Okay. Come back again to incident form. All. Pick up one incident. Okay. In progress. See, description value is clear. Now I will move back again to on hold awaiting caller. Now the business rule will run. Test. Business rule will run. See where the value is there. If you again move back it to in progress, now the client script will get executed. See, it's cleared the value. And any confusion on this, anybody?
No.
No. So, and also we have added in the other, I will delete this clear value business rule for now. Okay, I will go to business rules. Configure business rules, yes, business rules. Operate on state hold. So here when we are populate a description on hold state, right? So add message. Did we add any message? No, right? Okay. Okay. About action, add message I'm adding. So we have added a message in description field, FIE, something like that. I will save the record and again I'll go to incident form, reload it. I will do it with the help of in the login ID of this guy, David Luke, so that you will be able to understand David Luke. Now I will search for this guy. Okay, same incident, no worries. It is already opened on this guy's login ID. So what I'll do is, yeah, I'll move it to on hold, awaiting caller. I will save the report, test the functionality and save it. Okay, okay, okay. Is it working, guys? Yes or
Yes.
no? Why the description value, even after moving to on hold awaiting caller, why the description is not populated? Guys, tell me fast.
We have
deleted the
defined the UI
business
policy.
Huh? What? I didn't understand.
Maybe because of the UI policy that we have written.
If
No. That is.
No, you have deleted the business rule.
Sorry?
You have deleted the business rule.
No, I have not deleted. It is there. See, it is there. So populate description on hold state.
Okay.
See, I will do, this is my login, system administration. You are already on. Okay, I will take the value, new one. See, this is a new one. I will move this to on hold, awaiting caller, and save the record. Test it, save the record. See, first name and nonsense. See, this is added, and we have added a message in description field. Everything is working fine. When I am in David Lu's profile, click on all. I will pick up one more incident with the new state.
Because of the role we have
Is
added.
it something to do
Because
with
of
the
the
name?
role, that is what I'm expecting from you. If I move the state to on hold, awaiting caller, and save the record, it is asking something else. No, it is the business rule is not getting executed. See, because that David Lu is not having the
I can.
no. Yeah, ITL admin role, correct. So when to run? We don't have the ITL admin role. If I remove this role from the business role, then he will be able to do it, correct? Lakshmi, are you able to understand what I'm saying?
yeah, yes, sir. Actually, 10 to 15 minutes call I missed at the beginning. So that is a issue. I'm not following correctly.
No, we
I
have
need the
started bit
recording.
late only today. 10 to 8:15 only we have started.
No, almost you wrote the business rule, all done. 2 times I got disconnected.
Oh, you disconnected. Okay.
Yeah,
So now you
laptop
understand,
issue.
right?
Yeah. I need the
So,
recording, sir.
yeah, definitely. So then what is abort action? Abort action is nothing but see, abort action is nothing but I will go to click create, I will go to create, able tutor, test it. I'm just putting test value. If I am raising the change, if I don't have the ITIL underscore admin role, don't allow me to create the incident. Don't allow me to create the incident. This is the requirement. Tell me how to do it. You understand the requirement, right?
Yeah.
Right click on the header, go to configure, business rules. Click on new. Okay. Restrict users restrict users to create. I'm just create incident. Here in the this one you can write like non okay, restrict whoever don't have yeah, restrict users with ITIL admin role to create
Instant.
incident, because to create we are writing on the incident form only, to create, that's it. So when to run, when you want to run this ticket, this one, Insert, update, delete or query.
Insert.
Any other answers, guys? Shruti, Anish Verma, Lakshmi, Mauni, Srikant, Swami, Vinay.
Insert only.
Insert.
Insert.
Insert only.
So when you are creating, it is insert, no? So it is correct.
Yes.
So filter condition is what? No filter condition. Role condition, ITIL admin. ITL admin, if you have ITL admin, I am restricting this guy to create the incident. So abort action.
Okay.
Abort action. Abort action is nothing but system will not allow him. So here we will
Okay.
provide a message says as you have ITIL
TIL
underscore
admin.
admin role, you are
You're
not
not supposed to create. Okay.
incident.
Allowed to create instead. Okay.
I am saving the record. Okay. Now I am going to
Okay.
David Lu. Did I provide ITL admin to David Lu? No, right? So I will have to, in the user profile, I will give him ITIL role. Then you will be able to understand.
Yes.
User administration. Users. Where is David Lu? David.Lu. Open it. Okay, go to the bottom. Roles.
Rules.
Edit. ITIL. Admin. Save. Okay.
Yes.
Student. Create new. Caller is able to test this. Save the record. It has created, no?
Yeah.
Let us check.
No, you have taken for the abem tutor.
All the way to David Lu only, no?
No, in the incident.
Caller name.
No, I am not
Caller name.
talking about caller name. I am asking about who logged in. Logged in.
Yeah.
users
Correct.
will not
Correct. Correct. Yeah.
So let me check why it is not working. Is David Lu only? Perfect. Create new. Did I save that business rule? Please go on mute, guys. Test it. Save it. No, it is not. It is not executing. Our business rule is not. Something is happening here. When to run? Insert. When insert, the role is ITIL admin. Okay. About action. Simple. And what is the problem here?
I think he's having other roles also. Maybe ITIL or something.
If you have ITL role, if you have 100 roles also, if you have ITL admin role, then you should not be
Oh.
able
Okay.
to.
Okay. Okay.
Bench. Let's save this record before insert. Yeah, before insert only it will check.
Sir, log out and log in, David Blue.
Perfect. This is correct. Excellent. Good catch. Somehow I missed it. David.look.
Oh,
Because if David.look don't log in, because in the user form we have added a new role and already David Lu is already logged in. So that ITL admin will not be. No, it is already there, no? But still, we'll see. Because in the earlier it was no working, no? Let us see. Yeah, sometimes we can test it like this also. Okay, now it is invalid.
yes.
So as you have ITL admin role, you are not allowed to create it. Got it, guys? How the business rule works?
Yes.
So before that, after this one, if you want to execute other than this, whatever you can do manually, that means without coding, some functionality you can achieve some functionality, but you cannot achieve every functionality with no coding. No, you have to write some coding also. So, and also there are 4 types of business rule when you want to execute. That means when you click on advanced, see, there are before, after, async, display. Before business rule, after business rule, async and display. There are 4 types of business. That means if you click on this, before insert, before update, before delete, before query. Got it? So before insert, here I want to change, before insert, I want to populate some message. Or before update, I want to populate something. Before update is nothing but on the form, you will click on save, submit or something else. You will click on save, update or anything here on the form. But as I told you some time back, you will click on save update. Before it will get saved in the database, some action should be done. What action? Whatever you are updating in the business rule, that is called action. Is that correct, guys? In the business rule, you are writing the action, no? So add message is the action, about action is the action. So before it is getting updated or inserted, please perform this action. So now you tell me, David Luce one is before action or after action?
Before.
Before inserting only, it has performed this action. Correct? Guys, are you able to understand me or you want me to explain in a different way? Shruti, Srikant, Swati, Vinay, Devi.
Yes, Kumar.
So then what do you mean by after business rule? After business rule is nothing but you will enter some data in the form. Okay, you will click on save and update, but data will get saved in the database. After saving in the database, some action should be done. That is called after business rule. Now I will show you after business rule. Okay.
Okay.
Here what I'll do is, yeah, it is before business rule, no? I will click on after insert, after update. So what action should be done? Here I will see that after insert, after update, there is no point in having about action, right? About action is nothing but before only, it should not allow. So I will not do it. About action I will do. But here I will add a message called even though you have ITIL underscore admin role, we allow you to save the
Save or
save the incident, something like that. Okay.
Okay.
So this is after, guys, after saving the record, after inserting the record, after updating in the record. Save.
okay.
Now I will go to David. Look. Now I will save the record. See, even though you have ITL admin role, we allowed you to save the record. Now it is saved. If I
Yes.
save the record again, it will show you the same message because it is on update also. Okay, in progress, save the record. See, even on update also, it is showing message. Any confusion?
Yes. No.
Okay, very good. Now, then what is async business? So what is a display business? Give me a second, guys. Out. So we will, if you extend the class for 15 minutes, you are okay, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so now I want to show you one thing, guys. I have shown you without this thing, and now I want to show you other things also while we are using after, before, and all. So I am removing all this. Okay, so here I will go to Okay, so my requirement is when the incident is created, that means click on create new. When I am creating the incident, immediately it has to create the problem ticket also. And so why? Because in the problem management also, guys, it is very difficult for now to continue this. What we will do is we will continue. We have class tomorrow and day after tomorrow also, guys. Saturday and Sunday both. So be prepared for it. And okay. If there is any changes in the class timings, I'll let you know tomorrow. Sorry, by today evening, I'll send you the message. But 99.99% we have class tomorrow, same time. Okay?
Okay.
Right. So I'm ending up the call for now. All new joiners, including Swapnil Srivastava, please join back again.